Welcome to the world of endless choices. And how do we navigate the murky waters of morality? Welcome to the I'm a Moral Decision Maker Challenge with the power of the FACTS Moral Decision Making Process.
Uy, anong meron?
Hala, tayo may quiz daw. Kakasabi lang, 1 to 50 items daw.
Alam mo yun pala yun.
Oo, kaya nga madaling-madali din kami mag-review eh.
Hindi
1
ako
to 50 na
nakapag-review.
computation eh. Tapos 10 points each item.
Hala, paano na to? Hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko. Mangungodigo na lang ba ako? O pipilitin kong intindihin yung exam kahit hindi ko alam?
Okay, class, bring out your yellow pad. Only one sheet sa sa table and one
Ano ba to?
erasure.
Anong sagot sa number 2? Grabe, hindi ko alam. Paano ma-solution ito? Ito, tinuro to ni Sir. Saang part nga ba yun?
Hala, hindi ko na alam.
Ito nasa reviewer ko yan. Wait nga, ito yun eh. Nito palang i-convert.
Time's up! Pass your papers! 5!
Wait lang, ma'am! Wait! Wait lang, ma'am! Wait lang!
2! 1! Uy, nakita mo yun, Jess? Ano, di ba may kodi ko siya?
Ano ko nagtaka ng mabawin na?
Oo nga eh. Tapos sabi ni Miss, dapat nakatago na lahat, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos sa kanya yun yung papel.
Kausapin na lang natin. I-confrontate na lang natin.
Uy, Camille, nakita namin ni Jeff yung ginawa mo kanina. Huwag mo na itanggi kasi nakita na namin. May kodigo ka.
Ano naman sa inyo? Madami namang nangungodigo na hindi nahuhuli at bumababa yung marka nila.
Mali yan, Camille.
I'm a moral decision maker. Of course, aaminin ko yung pagkakamali ko. Ano ba naman yung pagkakamali ko? Inaamin ko yun. Pero sana hindi na ito makarating kayo.
Kasi ang unfair talaga ng ginawa mo. Paano naman kami mga nag-review?
Pasensya na kayo hindi na talaga mauulit.
Sana hindi na maulit yan.
Okay lang, huwag mo natin na.
Hala, kanina to. Daming pera, pwede ko na pambili to ng libro. Babalik ko pa yung wallet o ipapambili ko na lang ng libro.
Of course, I'm a moral decision maker. I consider the possible outcome first. Diba it's morally right to return those items? Baka need din ang pera, tapos kukunin ko lang. But if I choose to take it, it will be against my moral values, but it will help me. Of course, I'm a moral decision maker. I always align the situation with my personal values. I think hindi ko magagawa kunin yung wallet niya kasi no matter what my problem is, I shouldn't involve myself in stealing at magpretend lang na wala nangyari. Of course, I'm a moral decision maker. I seek others' advice. May napulot ka sa akong wallet kaso hindi ko alam kung ibabalik ko or hindi. Nagdadalawang isip pa ako. Anong sa tingin mo?
If I were you, I think masusunod ko sa thinking na stuff. Because my conscience might come to later.
Ikaw ba si Lindy?
Yes, mine.
Nahanap ko kasi yung wallet mo dun sa hallway. Ibibigay ko lang sana sa'yo. In the second scenario, the situation highlights the importance of value versus the need of a person. It is evident that when people are in need, their focus often narrows to immediate survival or relief, which can sometimes overshadow long-held values. What the character did in the video shows opposed stealing, and despite of her needs to buy a book, she chose to do what is right by returning the wallet. The dilemma that is determined in the given situation is called individual dilemma, in which a situation where difficult choices must be made between alternatives, especially ones that are disagreeable by morality. When making a decision, it is important to consider values because it serves as a guiding principles. And also, it can lead to decisions that have positive impacts on oneself.
Now, you might be wondering, why moral decision making? Well, the truth is, each day, we're faced with choices that can impact not only ourselves, but also those around us. Whether it's deciding whether to speak up against injustice, choosing between right and wrong, or navigating complex social situations, our decisions shape up the world we live in. So, why the facts moral decision making process? It's simple. Facts stands for feelings, alternatives, consequences, tell someone, and solution. These steps provide a framework for us to approach dilemmas thoughtfully and ethically.